Up to Canary Wharf and on to Bank. Actually, that'll make up 3, I hope. Someone's got a car horn for a ringtone, probably. It'd be nice if another one came underneath. That'd be even more impressive, but oh well. Whoa! Let's stand there.
The next stop is Canary Wharf, where this train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
And just like Stratford, both doors open at the same time. And just like Stratford on the Central line, both set of doors open. Seeming you could walk from one end to the other. Oh! Oh, okay. What's your name?
Liz.
Mine. See you, Liz. I might stand here and just see it go back out again, because I was on the previous Stratford train that went out as soon as I came in. See you, Liz. And it's in the B07 stock, so... Oh.